Hello everyone, welcome back to Kaydanivato. In today's video, we are breaking down to chapter 23 of Bhartiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita, Plea Bargaining. This chapter includes section 289 to 300, a mechanism to resolve cases faster while preserving fairness. So, question in our mind arises that what is plea bargaining? Plea bargaining means the accused negotiate with the prosecution for a reduced sentence or lesser charge with court approval, a tool to ease court caseloads and fast-track justice. Now go through the section-wise overview. Section 289, who can apply? An accused person against whom a police report is filed or a magistrate has taken cognizance may apply for plea bargaining under this chapter. Section 290, time frame and application. The accused must apply within 30 days of the charges being framed, so it happens before formal trial gets underway. Section 291, guidelines for mutually acceptable resolution. The Act lays down the principle for a fair and mutually agreeable settlement covering scope, boundaries and fairness. Section 292, report to court. Once both sides agree, the prosecution must submit a plea bargaining agreement before the court for approval. Section 293, case disposal. If the court finds the agreement fair, it can be finally dispose of the case by following the agreed terms. Section 294, judgment. The court then pronounces the judgment according to the agreed resolution. Section 295, finality of decision. A plea bargaining judgment is final. No further appeal against the judgment is permitted. This section explains us, section 295, that if the final judgment come with the settlement, then no further appeal against that judgment is permitted. Section 296, court's authority. The court can modify or accept the deals, ensuring the outcomes is justice and elegance with the legal standard. Section 297, sentencing adjustment for detention. Time already spent in custody is set off against the final sentence. Section 298 and 299, saving and exclude evidence. These clauses cover general legal safeguards. Notably, any statement made by the accused during plea negotiation is protected, not to be used against them later. Section 300, non-applicability. This chapter doesn't apply to certain serious or excluded types of offences as defined in the Act. Now go through the quick recap of this chapter. Section 289, who can seek plea bargaining. Section 290, apply within 30 days of charge framing. Section 291 and 292, guidelines and submission to court. Section 293, 295, agreement, judgment, finality. Section 296, court retains supervisory power. Section 297, custody adjustment. Section 298 and 300, legal protection and exclusion. So friends, this was the chapter 23, plea bargaining. If you found this breakdown useful to you, then share, like and subscribe this channel for more exploration of the BNSS 2023. We will meet soon in next video with new chapter. Till then, bye. Take care. Jai Hind. Stay connected with Kaydanivato.